Creative Redundancy back again, also known as CR. I want to show you guys this omelet that I made. 2 eggs. There's some broccoli in this, some cauliflower. What you see right around there, ground beef. It could be hamburger patty broken up or something like that. It was pre-cooked beforehand. Then I made the omelet. Whisked it or mixed it all together. Then I cooked the omelet. To bind the omelet, I used some cheese. And this time around, I decided to use some different kind of cheese. I used some Baby Bell cheese to kind of bind it or stick it together. So I'm going to have a taste test right now. Nice and steaming hot. Have a quick bite. It's really nice. Nice and hot. It's chewy. The beef actually, or the hamburger patty or ground beef, kind of adds some kind of chewiness to it. The Baby Bell cheese is sticking it all together. And a couple of vegetables like broccoli or and cauliflower in this case to kind of add some more fiber and some extra vitamins and minerals. So, like always, as the world changes, so must oneself. To reach a new level of skill and knowledge, one must practice. A single person can't help everyone in this world, but one person can help someone in this world. Until the next exciting video from me, it's peace out from Creative Redundancy. Later.